Before we go out this morning and run our errands, I wanted to give you guys a small little haul of a few things I got from Shein. I feel like Shein is so hit or miss, but I got some cute fall stuff I wanted to show you guys. So I haven't tried it on yet. Maybe we'll do a little try on after, but I got this super cute pumpkin sweater. I just saw it and was like, this is precious. It's just like a little, it's supposed to be like oversized. I don't know if it will be on me because I'm so tall, but it's just like a little pumpkin sweater. I thought it was so cute and festive. And then I just got, I've been really needing more plaid shirts that are like super thin, just with like working from home and stuff. I find that plaid shirts are super thick and like kind of more manly. And this one, I don't really know if you guys can tell, but it's pretty thin. It's definitely not sheer, but it's thinner. So I'm really excited about this. And it's just kind of like this warm brown color. So I'm really excited. I think I'm gonna wear this today to the grocery store. And then y'all know the struggle of finding a two-piece set when you are tall. I got this little waffle knit two-piece set. It looks like it's gonna fit, which is nice for fall. The only two-piece set I have is like a short sleeve and short one, so I wanted something long sleeve and pant for the fall. So it's just this like gray waffle knit long sleeve. And then the pants, which I don't know if the pants will fit because I'm so tall, but, and then it's just some pants. And they look a little on the sheerer side, but that's okay for lounging, and they have little pockets, so maybe we'll do like a cuffed at the bottom. So that's fun. I thought I would show you guys it super quick. I'll have everything linked down below. I think all of this cost me like $30. It's insane. Sometimes you can get really great deals on Shein, and I could not have bought a single plaid shirt for that price like in Canada. So I am gonna go ahead and get dressed, and then we're gonna head to the grocery store and pick up some last minute stuff for Thanksgiving. We have to get like some plates and cheeses and squash and all that kind of stuff. So I'll take you guys along for that. We're gonna grab all our desserts, and I'm hoping I can get a few pumpkins. And yeah, but it's gonna be a great little fall weekend. I don't know if this is gonna be just today or maybe today, Sunday, and Monday, depending like what other fun fall stuff we get up to, but I'll keep you guys posted. But I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, and I'll see you guys in a sec. Alrighty guys, we're getting ready to head out and run our errands. I wanted to give you guys a cute little outfit of the day. So my shirt is that new plaid shirt I just got from Shein. I love it. I really like my plaid shirts when they're lightweight, so this is literally perfect. It's super thin, and I really love that. Then I'm just wearing my little White Fox purse, which I think goes so well with this, and then just some black Aligns, and I'm gonna throw on some just like slip-on white shoes from Old Navy. Super simple but super cute little fall outfit, and we're gonna head out and run some errands, and let's go. Alright guys, welcome to our miscellaneous grocery haul. We have some chips for our cheese board, gummy worms. We bought a little cheese board and knife set because we don't have one. Not that you need one, you could just use a cutting board and like whatever, but I liked that it was black. So we got that. We got some boursin. We got this brie. We got this smoked Gouda. And then just this like charcuterie. Then we got 2 squash, some pumpkin, because I'm gonna show you guys like a fun little cinnamon roll. I got these like little white pumpkins, they're just decorative. We got some candy. We just picked it up for trick-or-treaters while we were out. A little veggie plate, some cinnamon rolls. We got some cups for our little apple cider cocktails. And then we're gonna do like a little dessert charcuterie board. So I got these cookies that everyone loves, and then they were like 2 for $4. So I got cupcakes, and then of course the typical Pillsbury's, and then we're having Thanksgiving tomorrow with my family, so we got a pumpkin pie. And then when we were out, we also just picked up a beverage dispenser because we don't have one, and we figured it would be like good to have from now on, and we'll put our cider in that after. So yeah, that's our little, oh, and chips. This giant bag of chips as well. Alrighty guys, we just got home. I think we're gonna do like a little tidy. You can hear Matt downstairs, he's doing the dishes. I think we're just gonna do like a little quick tidy up of the house just before obviously everyone comes over. Everyone is coming between 3 and 4, and then we're having dinner like around 5. So pretty soon I'm gonna go ahead and start baking just so I have everything done and ready. So we'll do that together. We'll put on some like fall music and we'll do that. And then we'll get the cocktail ready. I'll show you guys that. I think I might need a little afternoon iced coffee, a little fall coffee, and that's really it. And then I think tomorrow, I don't know, we'll probably just have like a cozy day at home. I need to like edit a video, and then we're having Thanksgiving at my parents' tomorrow, and then hopefully Monday we can do something fun like go to the pumpkin patch or something. So I think it's gonna be the ultimate cozy fall weekend. I cannot wait. But let's go ahead and light some candles, get some fall music going, or maybe a fall movie, do some afternoon baking. I feel bad because you guys were always like, do a fall bake with me, but I burn things really easy. I mean, I'm a good baker. I'm not a good cooker. I'm a good baker, but I just want to mess it up today. So that's why we bought Pillsbury cookies. They're just like a little safe go-to. So we're going to go and make some cookies, have some lunch. And yeah, I'm so excited to take you guys along on our little fall weekend. I'm just in the best mood ever. So much to be thankful and grateful for. We are experimenting with cinnamon bun frosting. So I have all the frosting from the Pillsbury thing. I could add a bit of pie filling to it and it would be like pumpkin-y. Also, is this like sweet? I don't... Oh, that actually looks like perfect. I didn't add much, maybe like a few tablespoons just to make it like more orange. Perfect. All right, now we have all this pie filling. Showed you guys this, but I got this vintage haunted mansion book from Etsy the other day, and it is so cool. I don't know where we're gonna put it, but it's so cute and vintage, and I love it. I had to show you guys. It's so cute. Okay guys, I just redid my makeup and put on some rings, my typical rings. I'm gonna go ahead and make our little cocktail. My curls definitely fell out. I might touch them up if I have the chance. It's always one side that falls out, but we'll see. It is almost 3 o'clock and we're gonna make some fall, I don't have a good name for it. Hocus Pocus cocktail? Spooky apple cocktail? I don't know. Wow, you're so pretty. You got little ghosties. You still ghosty bandana on. You're so pretty. You gonna greet everybody with your little bandana? You're so cute! The cups. I tried to write apple cider on here, but the chalk was not working, so. I'll leave like half of it.
Yeah.
We're taking a celebratory shot for hosting our first
family dinner. Actually, we did it with your family, but I have to say you texted
Cheers.
me. Cheers.
Spooky season.
There we go.
We have like 3 little pumpkin patch outfit ideas. This is probably like the most casual and fun, but I already wore this sweater this weekend. But then there's this one, and then there's this one, and I don't know which one to pick. Maybe I have to try them all on first, but these are the options we're working with. I have a feeling I'm gonna go with this one though. Here's outfit number 1. I think it's a little much for the pumpkin patch, just because I'm gonna be like bending down and stuff. I feel like a skirt is not my best option, but it is really, really cute. This shirt is from Shein. I'll link it. I just got it. It's super comfy and soft too, and it's lightweight, which I really like because it's not very fall weather here yet. It's still like 70. The skirt is old. It's from American Eagle, but I'm sure you can find something similar. But yeah, I think it's a cute outfit. Maybe just not for the pumpkin patch. Second outfit, I think it screams a little too much work vibes than pumpkin patch, but sweater Shein and pants are Old Navy pixie pants, the work pants. But I do think this is a cute outfit and hopefully gives you guys some inspo for the pumpkin patch, but I think it's a little too warm for this, but it is a really, really cute outfit. And outfit number 3, I definitely think this is my favorite. It's just like very casual pumpkin patch vibes. My shirt is from Etsy. And then I just have on a super cute little, well, it's the flannel I wore the other day with some jeans. But I definitely think this is the winner. I think it's cute. I think it's casual, but still like gives fall vibes. But stay tuned, I might change again. But so far, this is definitely the winner. We are getting ready to head out to the pumpkin patch. I can't find any coffee shops that are open today, so we might just be going to Starbucks, honestly. But Stella, are you excited? We made it to the pumpkin patch. It's so nice out here. Patch, which was just like a huge bust, as you guys can tell by like the 2 seconds of clips that we got. I had this like whole fall fun day planned. I wanted to get like a coffee, I wanted to go to the pumpkin patch and like whatnot, and no coffee shops were open because it was a holiday, and the pumpkin patch was so busy. And we thought that you'd be able to like go to the field and pick your pumpkins, but they're already all pre-picked, so you just like drive there, you pick up your pumpkin out of a bin, and then you pay for it. So I don't know, I think we were both just like super disappointed. Stella was super overwhelmed, it was so busy, so we stopped, looked at some pumpkins, and then we left, and we're back at home now. So I feel like today's definitely more of a chill day, but yeah, I feel like I'm just like kind of sad because I had this like whole fall like plan in my head of like a fun day, and like we didn't really get to do anything, but it is what it is. But hopefully tomorrow I can go grab some pumpkins at the store and decorate the front porch because we didn't really get to today. So we came home and we had those little apple cider mimosas, except for, once again, something just not going right today. We left the champagne in the car last night when we came home from Thanksgiving dinner, so we had no champagne, so we just had to use the leftover apple cider and some rum. So they weren't even like mimosas really, they were just like apple cocktails. And yeah, today was just, it's just not my day. So hope my update, I have to spend my whole afternoon editing because tomorrow's Tuesday and I have a video that goes up and I have a lovely friend on my face, so it's just not my day. But ironically enough, I had a Lululemon package come, and I feel like this is like a very fall color. I love their tie-dye collection. It's so beautiful. And I've never had an Align bra. I've only ever had like the Align leggings, obviously, but this is so soft, and it actually went on clearance this week. So I picked this up for $29 and it is so comfy. I wore it this morning, and it's just the Align bra, and it's in this like kind of like pinky rusty orange color. I thought it was like super cute for fall. So I actually got the matching set with some leggings, but they ended up canceling that part of my order because they were sold out, which was kind of sad. I guess I'm gonna spend my afternoon editing. I'm just kind of in a sad mood. I don't know, I had so many fun things planned, but I don't know. Hopefully we can maybe watch a cozy little movie later and have a cozy little fall movie night or something. But for now, I'm just gonna edit the afternoon away.